Today I'm taking my mama's recipe for goulash and I'm taking some shortcuts. This one's going to get a hearty meal onto your table in no time.
All right, we got the water boiling and it's got chicken bouillon and salt in the water because we want it to season this elbow macaroni that's going in. Now you can use beef bouillon if you want to. Just make sure you season this water. We're going to let that cook. The package says to let this cook for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. We're going to cook this for about 7 minutes because we'll finish the cooking process when we add it to the sauce that's going into this goulash. It's 1 pound of Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage. You can use whatever kind you like. I've added 2 onions that have been chopped and 1.5 pounds of ground beef. To that, I'm going to add several bay leaves. And I'm going to come in with some garlic powder. Now, you season this the way you want it. This is the way we like it. This is the easy version of goulash. We're not going through a whole lot of trouble here. We're going to let the beef and sausage brown. The onions will cook in the process. And that garlic powder and the bay leaves will just kind of marry all of those seasonings together. To this, I'm going to add a healthy amount of salt and pepper. Now, y'all know I love pepper, so it's going to be generous. You do this the way you want to do it. So I've got, again, ground beef, ground sausage, 2 onions, bay leaves, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. We're just going to let this brown. All right, everything's browned up now. I'm coming in with 3 jars of my favorite spaghetti sauce. Store-bought Ragu Chunky, making sure it's Mama's Special Garden Sauce. I'm using 3 of these jars and they're 24 ounces each. When you empty them, they're still going to have some in there. So I'm just going to add about 1/4 of a cup of water to each of these jars and swish it around and make sure I get every last bit of that spaghetti sauce out of the jar. All right, I've got the 3 jars in here and I put about 1/4 of a cup in each of those empty jars to get the excess sauce in here. And now I'm just going to give it a good stir. That adds just enough water so that when we add the elbow macaroni into this, it's going to help continue cooking it. The elbow macaroni has cooked about 7 minutes and I'm going to drain it. But before I drain it, I'm going to reserve about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of that pasta liquid to add to our sauce. I've drained the elbow macaroni and now I'm going to bring the sauce over to this pot and mix it all around. Give it a good mix. We want to continue cooking this until the macaroni is done. I'm also adding to this that reserved liquid that we had from the pasta sauce. There's some pasta left in that, so we're just adding that. That was about 1/2 cup of the reserved pasta liquid. And just give it a good stir. And we're just going to cook this. We're cooking this until the elbow macaroni is at the desired tenderness. Some people like it al dente. Some people like it more tender. You decide. And then we'll go in a little bit later and we'll fish out all of the bay leaves. And there you have it. Delicious goulash. You season this the way you like it. This is the way we like it.
Childhood memories on a plate. Enjoy.